So iteration is giving the two types in the Java 8 version JVM. One is giving to your version is like external external stream API features. One is giving the external iteration, and second is giving to that one is a sided, that is the internal approach. So two iteration is providing by your stream API features. One is the external iteration and second features is providing your internal iteration. There is a two types of iteration will be happen in Java. But you can see apart from this any programming like C and C++, there is only the part is the external iteration, not happening their internal iteration in the C and C++. But in Java we are going to talking about also the external as internal. There is a more advantage features is coming with the internal. Now we are going to understand what is the external iteration and what is the internal iteration, right? So now we have to understand. In external iteration, what is happening? The value of data, whatever is the value of data in that iteration, it will be fetched from outside the object. So external means what? Outside. So in the external iteration, your value of the data will be always fetched from the outside the object. There is the external iteration. That is the meaning of external iteration. And in internal iteration, that means value will be fetched that have the some implement predefined method in the collection framework, and through that we can fetch the value. There is the meaning of internal iteration. फाइनली अगर हम बोले एक्सटर्नल इटरेशन में क्या होता है कि वैल्यू जो आप डेटा का फेच करोगे वो किसी आउटसाइड ऑब्जेक्ट से फेच करते हो, लेकिन इंटरनल इटरेशन में क्या होता है कि कलेक्शन फ्रेमवर्क में ही वो इटरेटर अप्रोच मेथड मौजूद रहती है और वहाँ के थ्रू उसके बिल्ड इन मेथड से हम उस वैल्यू को फेच कर लेते हैं, हमें आउटसाइड ऑब्जेक्ट की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है. दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इंटरनल इटरेशन एंड दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एक्सटर्नल इटरेशन. आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू आर गेटिंग टू दिस पॉइंट, राइट? सो वी हैव टू द एनी डाउट ऑल ऑफ यू? एक्सटर्नल इटरेशन एंड इंटरनल इटरेशन, किसी कोई प्रॉब्लम? Yes or no? So now we have to understand here external and internal. So finally I am going to conclude. In the external iteration, all the value of data fetched from outside the object, while as internal iteration, the value of data will be fetched in the built-in method of the collection framework class. That is that there is a built-in method will be not fetch the value of data from outside the object. That is the internal iteration. Now we will be understand through the practical zone in the easiest way. So for that we have to write down the first and then it will go to the practical zone. Okay. So for that I am just stopping to this.